Hi guys, if you want to enable dark mode in Notepad on Windows 11 like this, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, open the Notepad. Now on the Notepad, simply click on this settings icon. Now under the appearance section here, you will see this option, app theme. Simply expand it. And now from here, simply select the dark option here. And now the dark mode will be enabled on your Notepad. And from now on, whenever you will open the Notepad, it will appear with the dark theme. So now let's check it out. For that, simply close it and then open the Notepad. Here it is. And now you can see the Notepad is appearing with the dark theme. You can see everything is in the dark mode. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily change Notepad to dark mode in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.